Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. World Youth Day Don Bosco 23rd, the organization responsible for the SYM Salesian Youth Movement involvement in the World Youth Day Lisbon 2023 intends to recognize the entire youth and youth group movement on a particular day, SYM Day, to be held on 2nd August. This will include the Rector Major of the Salesians, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, and Sister Kyra Cazuela, Superior General of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA, who will take part in this day for the first time as Mother General. About 7,000 young people are expected, as well as 500 volunteers, staff, youth leaders, Salesian family laity, Salesians and FMA. Rita Esteves, the young woman responsible for the SYM Day team, says that it is a great celebration that brings together the various Salesian presences from around the world in the same space. While for Sister Diana Arobas, FMA, who is also responsible for preparing for this day, the important thing is that Don Bosco is at the heart of it. In 3 days, the centenary of the first Salesian province in India will be celebrated. To prepare for this important anniversary, the Salesian province of Kolkata inaugurated the celebrations on 27th May in the presence of Monsignor Thomas de Souza, Archbishop of Kolkata, who presided over the Eucharist in the historic Marian Shrine of Bandel. Also present at the event were Father Joseph Pauria, Superior of the Salesian province of Kolkata, Father Raphael Haidt, Provincial of the Society of Jesus, and 45 other priests. Father Franklin Menezes, Pro-Vicar of Kolkata Cathedral, thanked the Salesians who took over the Catholic Orphan Press and the Cathedral Parish from the Jesuits on 11 November 1925. The Salesians then returned the parish to the Archdiocese in 1972. Finally, a group of young Salesians presented cultural dances representing the 5 linguistic groups of the province: Bengali, English, Hindi, Nepalese and Santhali. The program concluded with the centenary hymn composed by Father I.C. Jacob and sung by the youth of the Auxilium Church under the direction of Peter Gomes. Representatives of the Salesian family and various institutions were present for the occasion. The parish feast of Mary Help of Christians at Don Bosco Dilla, Ethiopia, was celebrated on May 28, 2023. The celebration started from the compound of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. Prayers were said and the parish choir members sing songs for the occasion. After some prayers, the procession proceeded from the sisters' compound to the parish church. Some members of the parish council carried the statue of Mary, while priests, sisters and faithful followed. The Holy Mass was celebrated, and after Mass, a simple lunch was offered to all those who attended the celebration. Around 200 people from the outstation came to attend the celebration. Altogether, there were about 1,000 who attended the feast day celebration. Salesians Brandon Gordon and Joshua Scullaw were ordained priests on 27th May by the laying on of hands and consecratory prayer by Cardinal Oscar Andres Rodriguez Maradiaga, SDB, Archbishop Emeritus of Tegucigalpa. The ordination rite was celebrated at Our Lady of the Valley Church in Orange, New Jersey. More than 60 Salesians took part in the liturgy, as well as numerous FMA and other members of the Salesian family, members of the families of the new priests, and students from various Salesian schools who had come from Sherbrooke, Quebec and Tampa, Florida. The Cardinal's homily stressed that the newly ordained must identify with Christ, to whom they belong entirely and who sends them to be influential among young people. In the various works and presences of the Salesian province of Mexico City, in that of Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the Feast of Mary Help of Christians was joyfully celebrated. All the events were prepared with care, months in advance, and the novena, held worldwide, promoted and animated by the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, was well attended. Several events were prepared at the beginning and during the month of May for the solemn celebration in honor of Mary Help of Christians, the pilgrimage on 5th May of the Salesian family of southern Mexico to the Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe, the feast of San Domenico Savio on May 6. On May 13, the feast of Santa Maria Dominica Mazzarello, co-founder of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Salesian commemoration, which coincides with the feast of the Virgin of Fatima, in addition to prayers throughout the month. This was also the case in the parish of Mary Help of Christians in the city of Puebla de Los Angeles, whose community of religious and faithful organized an extensive program of activities, which began on May 15 with the recitation of the Rosary and the Novena, with many manifestations of popular and community beliefs. On the solemnity of Mary Help of Christians on 24th May, a series of masses were celebrated throughout the day, with a solemn Eucharist presided over by the parish priest Father Francisco Abonza Contreras, SDB, director of the Salesian community of Maria Auxiliadora, which animates various chapels of the area as well as coordinating and animating the speakers of the city of Puebla. The event was attended by all the groups and associations of the parish community. Traditional shows, games and lotteries were also held throughout the day. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.